Welcome to this amazing property. It's not just pretty, though, there is a cool story behind it. I got this place with the plan to make it a super fancy and super cozy property. And let me tell you, it was quite a journey, turning a distressed property into a perfect space. We worked hard to make every part perfect, from the shiny floors to the fancy fixtures you can see. It's all about making it top-notch for the target audience. Now, I rent this property out as an Airbnb serviced accommodation, giving people a taste of luxury here in the United Kingdom. If you want to know more, check out my YouTube channel. I've got tons and tons of free tips and tricks to help you start your own property journey. Hit that subscribe button and let's make your property dreams come true together.